video. But for today's video, it's a travel vlog. We're going to visit another country in the Middle East. So I know you're excited already which place I'm gonna visit this time around. So we're going to another Middle East country nearby neighbors. A small country, but rich and very beautiful. Tourist destination, Qatar. So beautiful, travel time again to unwind, take a me time and relaxation to visit Qatar this time around, to meet new people, to eat, to learn a little bit of culture, tradition. So in a few minutes we're gonna be touched down at the Hamad International Airport. But right now you see the whole Persian Gulf, the coastal line of Doha, Qatar. So the bluish turquoise water mixed with the sand dune desert and a few artificial man-made islands. So the Doha city of Qatar is starting to booming their tourist program and still being the richest country in the Middle East. So I hope you're gonna enjoy the bird's eye view of the whole city of Doha. And in a while we're gonna go land travel and exploring the city and the downtown of Doha. So it looks like same familiarity with United Arab Emirates with their artificial man-made islands. And of course, their airport that is artificial and known for the most beautiful airport in the world, the Hamad International Airport. So again, I would like to thank Linus Airlines from Saudi Arabia for having cheap flights going to Qatar. By the way, Qatar is just an hour and a half, or if it is very fast, it's an hour only traveling by a plane. That's it. You arrive already in the city. So take back and enjoy the beautiful sceneries and of course the amazing sightseeing places in Doha, in Qatar. In a few minutes, just landing in Hamad International Airport. So sit back and relax show you the beautiful city of Qatar. Welcome guys to Doha. I hope everyone's enjoying their day.
ضيوفنا الكرام الحمد لله على سلامة الوصول.
Amazing. Oh, I want
Here
something
is
like
more
winter.
Temperature, high
Oh.
temperature. The Mama is more temperature high.
Yes, more temperature, just the same.
Now after March coming going.
Even Bahrain before when I went, no, same
So
like
you-
Philippines.
So before you working Bahrain,
La, I just only vacation like that. Weekend. If it is weekend, Mapi Shok also. I go travel like that. I will apply visa like that. Now it's very simple. E-visa, you can go. Egypt,
is
you
very
can go.
easy.
Yeah, easier, yeah. That's why I come here in Qatar when I said it's okay, Haya bus. And then I just pay I think 100 or for the visa. After that one, you can apply again maybe.
This one.
Yeah, this is the museum.
Museum of Qatar National
Oh
Museum.
yeah, Qatar National
Like a
Museum.
desert rose.
Yes, desert rose.
And this one.
Is it
port,
free for or you need to pay? This is the
Some
port,
port.
Corniche or no?
Old port.
Ah, old port. Old port.
Yes, old port.
I like to ride on the that one, the boat.
Yes,
Cruise.
the boat is pick up the going to
Ayan.
Banana Island.
Banana Island, oh, I heard that Banana Island. But in terms of the road, I think this is good. Qatar is good, Doha. That is one. Clean, yes. And right now the weather is good. That's why I think so. Yeah, there's aquatic happening this week, I think, because the AFC is finished. But Riyadh now is improving now for us. We have some winter wonderland like Lusail winter amusement like that. We have
Yeah.
already that one. Wherein all the countries are there, so it's very a huge place. So you will no longer go example to Thailand, you will no longer go to France because they'll put it here there. So for tourism. Because if mapi oil kalas. If all these are no more oil,
Now all people
No
focus
reach anymore.
Focus in visitor.
yeah, visitors.
Yes, because it's more like Singapore.
Mm-mm.
Singapore now is very profitable port and visitor.
But it's very expensive. I've been there in Singapore. Oh my god, my dollars. Singaporean dollar. Oh my god, it's just something like how many days you keep, and it's just only for how many days for just food and the hotel. It's very expensive. Yeah, Do Cruise. Old city this one. Ayan, correct.
Yes.
That one.
Left side. Amiri, this is the parliament.
Ah, parliament.
Amiri the one.
Government, yeah. FIFA World Cup, Qatar, ayan oh. Nice. In the mom, you cannot see tall buildings there.
Alula.
Al-Ula.
That only
They
here.
will- yes.
Alula like riding.
Yeah, Al-Ula is near in Tabuk, in the north borders of Jordan.
It's very.
I like the color of the sea. This is going to ano, 'di ba? Iran ba or Persian Gulf? Persian Gulf?
Persian Gulf.
Persian Gulf, correct, yes. Persia. Yeah, some cruise. Oh my god, I love it. I thought the expo will start on April or May, so they are open already na. Expo. See, there's a lot. And I think 2027 they make the PIBA.
2027?